Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Blake. Today, the question I want to ask is, can you make toast in the microwave? A piece of bread. Oh, there it is. There it is. This will be much faster than making toast. 2 minutes should be plenty of time. It's making toast, I bet. Right, let's check on it. Oh, well, something's happened. Oh! What in the world? Oh my goodness. What is this? This isn't toast. But it's hard. I'm so confused. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna try it. Alright. It smells so weird. Oh! What? I can't tell if it's burnt. What? This is so strange. I don't know what's happening. Guys, there's nothing left to do but to try it. Well, I'll try the non-burnt side first to see if that's any good. Oh! Now I'm gonna try the scary dark side. Wish me luck. Actually, it's not too bad. It looks terrible, but if you get past that, it's just so crunchy. Oh, I can't do this. It's too crunchy. So many crumbs. It's actually not that bad. But the non-burnt stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think it's safe to say that you cannot make toast in your microwave. I think there's a reason why there's toasters. There must be a reason why there's toasters. Oh, that was weird. Oh. All right. Oh my God. Please leave your suggestions in the comments on what I should make on the next Cooking with Blake. And as always, thanks for watching. I still have the taste in my mouth. Like, it's not bad, but like, it's the memories.